Ready, racing this time. The Black Gandalf missed it slightly and dug Harry Girl away quickly. Cootagilla going fast out wide. And Scat Cat is on a forward move out pretty wide. The Black Gandalf will muster speed to be just off the pace. Eklund is going forward. So as they sort themselves out, and Cootagilla had crossed to go to a clear lead by 2 lengths here to Doug Harry Girl. Eklund's to third, and then the Black Gandalf is running fourth, and then the favourite a length and a quarter, Scat Cat. 2 further back to Vaporize, and 3/4 further back to Mickey O, and 2 lengths to Evasive Action the inside, followed by Cavieng, and Doc Martin is out the back last with 600 to go. Cootagilla the leader from Doug Harry Girl, and up there making a line of 3 is Eklund's. Behind them the Black Gandalf. Scat Cat's had a nice run, about to get into the open and issue her challenge. Mickey O tracking her into the race to the outside. Cavieng with Doc Martin, and Vaporizer's getting a run through in the centre, and further back there runs out wide Cavieng, but Scat Cat claimed them quickly down to the 200, shot away from Cootagilla, and they're followed by Vaporize running home well from the Black Gandalf, but Scat Cat odds on and will win it brilliantly. Away goes Scat Cat. The 3-year-old filly bolts in by about 6 lengths here to Cootagilla. Vaporize for third, and then came Evasive Action.